Did you know? Lizards are the largest groups in the reptile family with over 6,000 members. There is also massive variation in the lizard family with members from as small as few centimeters to a few meters long. Let's see some of the interesting facts about different types of lizards. Black and white tegu lizard. The black and white tegus make great pets and known to bond with their owners. The black and white tegu can use their tail as a whip when threatened. Chameleon lizard. Chameleon lizards mainly change color to communicate or regulate body temperature. Their eyes can swivel around in two different directions simultaneously. Salamander lizards. Salamanders are nocturnal. Some salamanders and frogs have tongues up to 10 times as long as their bodies. The largest salamander in the world is the Chinese giant salamander. It can grow to a length of 5 feet. Salamanders are capable of regenerating lost limbs within a few weeks, including tails and toes. Blue-tongued lizard. Depending on the type of predator or threat that is near will determine the intensity of the color present in the tongue. The tongue can also deform itself and produce a thick mucus in order to catch the prey. When threatened, the blue-tongued skink puffs up its body, sticks out its long tongue and hisses. If the intended target is unimpressed, then the blue-tongued lizard flattens its body in hopes of appearing too large to attack. Iguana lizard. Not only do iguanas have great vision and see colors, they can even see UV light. They also have an unusual photosensory organ on the top of their heads called the pineal gland or parietal eye. This third eye cannot form images but helps wild iguanas detect predators lurking about them. This extra eye is present in several other lizard species as well. If you like the video, give thumbs up, subscribe to our channel Fact Time, share with your friends and family, and do not forget to press on the bell icon. Worm lizard. Pale or pinkish worm-like lizard characterized by the absence of limbs. They do not have good eyesight and they cannot see colors and shades of gray. Galotia galoti lizard. The striking color of adult males and their curious nature endeared them to many tourists. It is quite popular to bring some ripe bananas along for the lizards, which are a most favorite food of this species and will provide travelers with good photo opportunities as the animals scurry over the rocks and even onto visitors' hand to catch a bite. Gecko lizard. Geckos' amazing toes help them to stick to any surface except Teflon. Like many species of lizard, geckos are able to drop their tails as a response of predation. Geckos are of 350 types. Geckos also change color to match their surroundings. Some species of geckos have no legs and look more like snakes. Geckos use their tails to store fat and nutrients for lean times. Monitor lizards. The monitor lizard is covered in scales that can range from green to tan, gray or brown in color and can grow up to 9 feet. They don't have many natural predators but are hunted by humans for their skin and their meat. The Bengal monitor, also known as the common Indian monitor, is found all over the Indian subcontinent as well as other parts of Asia. Water dragon lizard. The water dragon is known to use its arm in a waving way as a gesture of appeasement or to communicate with other dragons. They will move their front legs in a circular motion with the palm outward to communicate with others. So friends, if you like the video, give us thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Fact Time and share with your family and friends. Do not forget to press on the bell icon.